In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from OKX wallet to your bank account. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your OKX wallet. Then go ahead and press on this button over here that does say send and select on the asset or cryptocurrency that you're trying to go ahead and actually withdraw for some cash. So for this video, we're going to be working with Bitcoin. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on that. And now once you're over here, you'll now get the option to input a wallet address. And here's where things get incredibly important. What we need to do is we need to put in the wallet address of another exchange. You guys could use something like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, but for this video I'm going to be using Coinbase. So basically what I need to do is I need to put in my Coinbase Bitcoin address over here, and then it is going to send those funds over from OKX to Coinbase. So let's go ahead and open up Coinbase really quickly. All right, guys, here we are on Coinbase. So what we need to do is we need to press on this button that says transfer and select on receive crypto. From here, we need to go ahead and select on Bitcoin or the asset that you're trying to go ahead and withdraw. So again, this video, we're working with Bitcoin. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on that. And now it is going to give us our Bitcoin address. So let's go ahead and just copy it like so. And then let's go ahead and open up OKX really quickly. All right, so we're back in OKX. So what we need to do now is we need to go ahead and paste the address just like so. And once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say confirm. And from here, you want to go ahead and select on how much Bitcoin you actually want to send to that account. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and select on the maximum amount just like so. Actually, I might do a little bit lower. Yeah, something like this will get the job done. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on confirm. And then it is going to basically ask you to confirm the transaction. So go ahead and just press on confirm. Once you're done with that, and then you will have to actually verify your identity really quickly. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. All right, so once you're done with that, it will now go ahead and process your transaction. And we can go over here to look under history, and as you're able to tell, it is currently sending our Bitcoin to the wallet address. So all we need to do from here is we need to go ahead and wait a couple minutes, and then we should go ahead and open up Coinbase. All right, guys, and eventually you should see that the funds have been deposited onto your Coinbase account or whatever other exchange you're using. You could use something like Kraken, Binance. You guys get the point. And if we do look at our transaction history, yep, you'll notice that we did receive our Bitcoin that we did just send from OKX. All right, guys, so the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and scroll down and select on this option over here that does say crypto. Then it is going to bring you a menu of all the available cryptocurrencies that you currently do have. And as you're able to tell, we do have Bitcoin right over here. So all we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on Bitcoin. And once we select it on Bitcoin, we will get a screen that looks like this. But from here, go to the bottom and select on this option that does say buy and sell, and then go ahead and select on sell. Then from here, you need to go ahead and select how much of the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency you have that you want to convert into cash USD. So where it says sell, you want to make sure that the cryptocurrency that you're trying to sell is actually there. And where it says to, you want to make sure that cash USD is actually selected. Yep. So as you're able to tell, it is selected right over here, and we can go ahead and just search for it right over here as well in case you don't have it. All right, guys, so what we need to do now is we need to go ahead and select on how much cryptocurrency we actually want to convert to cash. So for this video, let's do something small and only do $2 worth of Bitcoin. So once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on review order. And then it is going to ask you to confirm the transaction. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on sell now. And then it will say order submitted. We'll email you once the order changes status. So let's go ahead and press on done just like so. And then, yep, as you're able to tell, it is currently pending on our transactions. So now we need to go back to the home page where we were before. From here, all you want to do is you want to select on this option that does say cash, and you will notice that our cash balance actually went up, and that is because we transferred that crypto and we withdrew it for some cash dollars. Now, in order to actually put this money in our bank account, we need to go ahead and select on United States dollar. Then we need to go ahead and select on this option that does say withdraw. Now, my screen is black at the moment, but essentially it is going to ask you for how much dollars of USD you actually want to withdraw, and then there's going to be an option that does say transfer to. And from here, you guys could add a variety of different payment methods. So we could transfer things to our bank account, our debit card, or even make a wire transfer. There's a lot of great options that Coinbase does have to offer, but this is what you need to do if you want to go ahead and withdraw money to your bank account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.